Mr. 300C, y'all. We back. We in the garage. Night shift. Got heater number 1 on. Don't judge me over here. Found a little bit of coolant leaking from the 300. That would explain why. That would explain why my coolant be draining mad quick. Look at that. I already filled that thing up and look what it's doing. It's dripping. All right, we got heater number 2. Doing our thing, but yeah, man, doesn't feel as bad when you got 2 heaters going on. I don't know why it took so long to figure that out. Feels a little bit more comfortable in here. Still chilly, but not as much. So tonight we are going to be taking out the grill and we're going to be putting in the black joint right here. Yes, sir. We also have some LED side marker lights. Gonna swap those out. I'll show you guys what that looks like later. And then last, gonna put these halogen bulbs to rest. Got some LED ones, 600K Kelvin. It's a nice bright white light I'm gonna put on here. So I'm ready, man. Got a couple of tools I got. Got some prying tools. Got these from Amazon. They're like $5. All kinds of random plastic little prying tools. So we'll use that. Screwdriver, a few other things. Don't worry about that pump. That's for my balls. Get it? Ah! Nah. Ah!
No.
Those basketballs. Got more around the corner. Excited to try my new power ratchet wrench. So that'll save me some time too. Getting some of those screws underneath the bumper. Okay, let's get to it. First thing first, the hood is opened. You have these 4 little push pins. Bam, bam, bam. You'll notice it has little, whoop, there we go. You notice it has little openings here, so you just take your little pry tool, lift it up, pull out the pins. Easy peasy. That is the first step. All right, the pins are removed, holding the front top of the grill. Now we gotta go to the side. Look how dirty it is in here. Ew. All right, basically just gotta pop that pin out, and I'll probably pop this one out too. And then I'll have access to another set of brackets that I gotta unscrew that connects this part of the bumper together. I'll try to do a little shortcut. So I won't take anything at the bottom out with those pins down here. I'm just gonna try to take everything off and lean the bumper on top of this mat. So it'll still be connected at the bottom because I don't need full access. I might, I don't know. I can't remember. Last time I did this, it's been a couple years, so we'll see as we go. All right, so I just used these pry tools that I got. It's able to slide them in here like that and just pry it off. And then I took this one to finally yank it out. Little complicated little guys in here, man. Look at that. So small, but so strong. Okay, so this is the brackets I was trying to tell you guys about. See if we can see that real quick. Right there. So right there's a little bolt. Just gotta unscrew that. All right, I forgot one more bolt. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's like back here, like behind here. Oh, got the car dirty. Oh well. Let's see if I can show you guys with this camera. All right, it's right there. There's the bolt you got to take out. Then you should be able to remove the bumper on both sides. All right, the bolts are out. Now I should be able to pull on the top of the grill and pull on the sides to unlatch the bumper. So let's give it a shot. All right. Got nervous because I'm losing my memory, but yeah, you just grab here and pull it back. Get it off the clips. Let's do the same thing on this side. Stick my hand in here. Just pull it back. Loosen it a little bit. There we go. Now it's off. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. That scared me. Huh. Looks like a little bee's nest was trying to get inside the grill. That's crazy. Little bee's nest. Wasp nest, whatever. It ain't alive, tell you that much. All right, I was trying to be lazy, but the bumper's off for the most part, except the bottom screws. I still don't think I need to remove them. My last 300, it didn't have the little bed under scraper shield thingy, whatever. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just pry these off, this one and this one. Then I can lay it forward, lay the bumper forward and not have enough access to do what I gotta do. All right, got a little bit more space now to work with. So I can reach the fog lights, which is right there. Stick my hand back here. And then side marker lights, have access to them right here. So let's remove the bulbs for the fog lights. All I gotta do is just stick my hand down there, twist to the left and pull out. I know you can't see this little metal frame is here. It's all good. All right, there you go. Fog lights taken out. All right, halogen bulb is out. These are the LED 6000K joints, Yorkin. Very pretty. Very pretty. Some good weight on it too. Yeah, I like them. They feel good. All right, we're gonna pop them in and we're gonna test it out, make sure they work. Okay, LED bulb is in. Let's go turn the lights on so we can see. Woo! Dang. That's bright. It's hard to tell in this light. But yeah, look at the old one. And the new one. Kinda can see from this angle. Yeah, looks good. All right, fog lights are in. Bada bing, bada boom. Show you guys the full product later. On to the side marker lights. These joints gotta go. All right, side marker time. So take the bulb out, just gotta twist it, pull it out, and then this clip right here, push that in, and it will pop out the side marker light. There's a little, I think it's a 13 millimeter bolt right there. So you gotta loosen that and then hold the clip, push that in, and it pulls out. All right, these are the LED side marker lights. So it has like a amber beam that goes across. And then if you wanted to hook this part up, you can have it turn white when the car's parked. I don't want that, so I'm not gonna hook it up. I just want this dark color and then with the amber beam to show. So just gonna plug it in. As you can see right there, if I can focus, here we go. And we'll turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, plugged right in. Let's go turn it on. Ah, there we go. Nice little straight beam. That's gonna look good at night. Oh yeah, nice and sexy, baby.
I like it.
Check the other side. Woo, me gusta. All right, now we gotta get ready for the beast. The grill, this is the big one. All right, had to take the bumper off completely. The shortcut didn't work. I got halfway taking all the bolts out, or the screws, from the top part of the grill, all up here. Now I need to get underneath and get those last 5 or 6. But yeah, man, don't shortcut. Just do things the right way and you'll save more time. Learn from my mistakes. Cold air intake, I see you. I was looking underneath trying to see something cool, and that's where all the cold air is coming from the bottom on an enclosed intake. One of the few air intakes that actually gives you a couple gains. Going back to the grind, got to get to the bottom of the grill there and put this beauty on soon. Man, all this work to take out a grill. Mopar really just made it difficult to not modify your car when you get it. Oh, I can't believe it, man. Look at this grill. I might sell this grill. Looks pretty good. Good shape. Yeah, this joint gonna look nice, man. That joint gonna look clean. Can't wait.
We can't wait, man. We can't wait.
All right, it's nighttime. Just wanted to do this at night so you can see the side marker lights in action. Woo! I like it. Looks more modern. I figured out why my car making that weird little squirrely sound. I'm going to the shop next week, so we'll figure out what that is. But anyway, got the fog lights. The HID lights are on. Looks good. Black grill. I got to put my 300 emblem right in there. That's the last touch I got to do, but I like it. Put the flash on, let me see what happens. You can still see it. Alright, yo, I'm out. We'll have more videos, of course. The car nice and clean, so you can see it in the daytime. But yeah, just want to show you guys real quick. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.